Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've lost 30% of your strength without even noticing. That's exactly what's happening to millions of people over 60 right now. Weak legs, shrinking arms, struggling to get off the couch. It's not just aging, it's a silent muscle-stealing condition that doctors say begins as early as your 40s. But what if I told you there's something even more powerful than exercise? A nutrient used in hospitals to protect muscle in patients who can't move at all, and yet most people have never heard of it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works inside your body, and how to activate it naturally using everyday foods you probably already have at home. And the best part, it works, even while you sleep. Here's what most people, even doctors, rarely explain. You're not just getting older, you're losing muscle, and not slowly. The condition is called sarcopenia, a word that sounds complicated, but its effects are painfully simple. You stand up slower, climb stairs less often, feel tired doing things you once did without thinking. After age 50, most adults lose 1 to 2% of muscle every single year, and by the time you're 80, you could lose up to half your total muscle mass, even if you're eating well. Why does that matter? Because muscle is your independence. Lose enough of it. And walking, lifting, even staying balanced becomes harder, sometimes even dangerous. Muscle isn't just for athletes. It's what helps you carry groceries, get up from the toilet, or catch yourself if you trip. And here's the truly scary part. Sarcopenia doesn't feel dramatic at first. One day, your legs feel a little weaker. A few months later, you avoid stairs. Then one day, you need help doing something you used to do alone. So what is this mysterious muscle-saving compound? The one your body wants to make but struggles to after age 60. It's called HMB, short for beta-hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate. I know it sounds like something out of a science lab, but here's the truth. HMB is not a drug. It's not a synthetic chemical. It's a substance your own body actually creates in tiny amounts from a protein-building amino acid called leucine. When you were younger, your body had no trouble turning protein into HMB, but after age 50, and especially after 60, that process starts to slow down fast. Your body can't produce enough to protect your muscle the way it used to. HMB is what your body wishes it could make more of, but can't after 60. And here's why it matters. HMB works through 3 powerful pathways, all of which are essential to keeping your muscles strong. First, it acts like a shield, slowing down muscle breakdown. Your body naturally breaks down muscle every day, but HMB blocks the enzymes that accelerate this, especially during aging, stress, or inactivity. Second, HMB helps activate muscle repair and growth through something called the mTOR pathway. That's the same muscle-building switch triggered by weightlifting, but HMB can flip that switch even without exercise. Third, HMB has been shown to preserve muscle in patients who are completely immobile, including people recovering from surgery illness or long periods of bed rest. That's why hospitals quietly use it in medical nutrition, especially for seniors and bedridden patients, to protect against dangerous muscle loss. But here's the best part: you don't need a prescription. HMB is available as a supplement, and even better, your body can still make it naturally, if you give it the right support. And here's the shocker. Clinical trials show that HMB helps seniors maintain, even rebuild muscle mass and strength without any exercise at all. Imagine that muscle support while you rest, recover, or even while you sleep. Even worse, you might think you're getting enough protein, but your aging body may not be using it the way it used to. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. Your body simply becomes less responsive to the nutrients that used to keep you strong. So what if the real issue isn't what you eat, but whether your body can actually use it to protect your muscle? 7 everyday foods that supercharge HMB1. Cottage cheese, your nighttime muscle defender. Let's start with one of the most underrated foods for preserving muscle: cottage cheese. What makes it special? It's rich in a slow-digesting protein called casein, along with a powerful amino acid leucine, the raw material your body needs to produce HMB. Unlike fast proteins that break down quickly, casein releases amino acids, gradually making it the perfect pre-bedtime food. Why? because your body does most of its muscle repair while you sleep, and this gives your muscles a steady stream of fuel during those critical hours. Half a cup of cottage cheese before bed can work like an overnight shield for your muscles, especially if you're over 60 and losing muscle faster than your body can rebuild it. Think of it as feeding your strength while you rest. 2. Greek yogurt, the morning muscle igniter. Next up, Greek yogurt. Your ideal morning partner for muscle protection. It packs 2 to 3 times more protein than regular yogurt and a solid dose of leucine to help jumpstart HMB production at the start of your day. Greek yogurt is also unique because it contains both fast and slow digesting proteins, giving your muscles a quick spike of amino acids followed by a longer steady release. Even better, the probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, and emerging science shows that a healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, including amino acids needed for muscle repair. Start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fruit nuts or even a drizzle of honey, and you're not just eating breakfast, you're activating your body's natural ability to fight muscle loss from the very first bite. 3. Eggs, the perfect package. Now let's talk about one of nature's most complete muscle-preserving foods, eggs. Eggs deliver high-quality, complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. But most importantly, they're packed with leucine, the very amino acid your body converts into HMB. What sets eggs apart is their bioavailability. Your body can absorb and use nearly every gram of protein and nutrient they offer. That's especially important for older adults, where digestion becomes less efficient over time. Here's how you can make eggs a powerful part of your routine. Start your morning with 2 to 3 eggs boiled, scrambled with veggies, or as a simple omelette. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll give your muscles the raw materials they need to stay strong. And don't skip the yolk. It's where most of the vitamins, healthy fats, and muscle-supporting nutrients like vitamin D and choline live. Think of eggs as the perfect muscle repair package in a shell, simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. 4. Salmon, the dual-action muscle shield. Next up is one of the most powerful foods for protecting muscle as you age: salmon. Salmon delivers a double benefit. It's rich in leucine to support HMB production and packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle loss. Why does that matter? Because as we age, low-grade inflammation becomes more common, and it quietly erodes muscle tissue over time. Omega-3s help calm that inflammation, creating a better internal environment for your muscles to stay strong. Just 2 to 3 servings of salmon a week can make a meaningful difference. Grill it with lemon and olive oil, bake it with herbs, or add canned salmon to a salad. It's versatile, delicious, and muscle-friendly. And here's a bonus. Salmon is also a natural source of vitamin D, which plays a key role in muscle function and balance. 2 things that become more critical with every passing decade. So when you eat salmon, you're not just nourishing your body, you're activating a dual defense system to preserve strength from the inside out. 5. Lean beef, muscle in every bite. If there's one food that truly delivers dense, concentrated muscle-building power, it's lean beef. Beef is one of the richest natural sources of leucine, which your body uses to produce HMB, but it doesn't stop there. Beef also contains creatine, iron, zinc, and other nutrients that work together to support muscle strength, oxygen delivery, and recovery. For older adults, especially those with a smaller appetite, nutrient density matters. Just 3 to 4 ounces of lean beef, think sirloin, or 93% lean ground beef, can provide a powerful muscle-preserving boost without overwhelming your plate. Try it in a simple stir-fry with colorful vegetables, or add slices of roast beef to a salad for a no-fuss, protein-rich meal. And here's something many people overlook. Iron in beef helps carry oxygen to your muscles, and low iron levels can lead to weakness and fatigue, especially in seniors. When you eat lean beef, you're not just filling up, you're feeding strength, recovery, and resilience with every bite. 6. Whey protein, instant muscle rescue. When your muscles need fast support, especially after any movement or during recovery, whey protein is your go-to. Whey is one of the most efficient sources of leucine on the planet. In fact, just one scoop of high-quality whey protein can contain up to 3 grams of leucine, enough to significantly boost your body's natural HMB production. What makes whey unique is how quickly your body absorbs it. Within just 30 minutes, it delivers amino acids directly to your muscles, helping to prevent breakdown and kickstart repair. This makes it ideal right after light activity, even something as simple as walking, stretching, or household chores. Your muscles are more sensitive during that window, and whey gives them exactly what they need. You can mix whey protein into a smoothie, stir it into oatmeal, or even add it to pancake batter or mashed potatoes. It's flexible, fast, and incredibly effective. And if you haven't moved much lately, whey still helps because your muscles are always renewing themselves, and HMB support works even during rest. Think of whey protein as instant rescue fuel for muscles that are aging but still ready to fight back. 7. Quinoa, the plant-based powerhouse. Last but definitely not least, we have quinoa, a humble seed that's earning its place as a muscle-preserving superfood. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key building block your body needs to produce HMB. But quinoa brings more to the table. It's also packed with magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus minerals that support muscle contraction, energy production, and recovery. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for seniors looking for a gluten-free, easy-to-digest plant-based option that doesn't sacrifice nutritional value. To get the most from quinoa, cook a batch at the beginning of the week and use it as your base. Add it to salads, use it instead of rice, or mix it with vegetables and eggs for a protein-packed breakfast. And here's a little-known bonus. The fiber in quinoa supports gut health, which helps your body better absorb the amino acids and nutrients that drive HMB production. So, if you're looking for a plant-powered way to support strength, resilience, and healthy aging, quinoa delivers it all, one grain at a time. So now you know these 7 everyday foods don't just nourish your body. They activate your body's own ability to fight muscle loss every single day. But here's the thing: when you eat them, and how you combine them can make a huge difference. Coming up next, I'll show you exactly how to build a simple daily routine using these foods so you can protect your muscles around the clock, even if you're not exercising at all. Knowing what to eat is important, but knowing how and when to eat these foods, that's where the real magic happens. You see, muscle maintenance in older adults isn't just about total protein, it's about timing, balance, and consistency. Step 1. Time it right. Your body is constantly building and breaking down muscle, but certain times of day are more important than others. Morning. After fasting overnight, your muscles are hungry for amino acids. Start your day strong with Greek yogurt eggs or a whey protein shake to kickstart HMB production. Evening muscle breakdown increases while you sleep. That's why cottage cheese before bed works like a slow-release muscle shield. After activity, even light movement, like walking, activates muscle repair. A whey protein shake within 30 minutes can dramatically boost results. Step 2. Spread protein evenly. Most people eat most of their protein at dinner, but research shows that spreading protein across the day supports better muscle retention. Aim to include 15 to 30 grams of protein per meal using the foods we covered earlier. Step 3. Rotate and combine. Don't feel pressured to eat all 7 foods every single day. Instead, rotate them and combine them in simple meals you enjoy. Quinoa bowl with salmon and veggies for lunch. Omelette with cheese and spinach in the morning. Beef stir-fry with broccoli for dinner. Greek yogurt, parfait as a snack. Cottage cheese with berries before bed. Keep it simple, keep it satisfying, and let these small habits work quietly in the background to protect your strength. You don't need fancy supplements or exhausting workouts. Just smart nutrition at the right times, and your body will do the rest. The truth is, not everyone over 60 can lift weights, go to the gym, or follow strict exercise routines. But that doesn't mean your muscles have to suffer. The foods and timing we just talked about create a routine that works with your body, not against it. Even during rest, even during recovery, even while you sleep. Here's what a simple daily HMB supporting routine could look like. Morning start with Greek yogurt and eggs, powerful HMB precursors to jumpstart your day. Midday, a quinoa bowl with lean beef or salmon, plus veggies for added nutrients and anti-inflammatory support. Evening, a light dinner with stir-fried vegetables and a protein of your choice. Even canned salmon works great. Before bed, just half a cup of cottage cheese to feed your muscles overnight and reduce breakdown while you sleep. No special supplements, no pills, no intense exercise. Just smart food timed right and a simple strategy your body can follow even at rest. Because muscle loss isn't just about movement, it's about what you give your body to work with. And if you're thinking, I wish I had known this earlier, don't worry. Because the best time to start protecting your strength is today. If this video gave you even one helpful idea to protect your strength, imagine what we can do together, one video at a time. At True Health Way, we share real science-backed strategies to help you stay stronger longer, without gimmicks, without pressure, and without needing to be 25 again. So if you want more simple, powerful ways to take care of your health after 60, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the bell, because you deserve to age with confidence, with dignity, and with strength.